I'm going to go over some solar step lights, actually a 16 pack of solar step lights. Check these things out. This is something I've been wanting for a while. What I needed, I've got a set of stairs, a series of steps in my front kind of area that leads up to my front door, and what I wanted to do was light them up, and that's exactly what this is. If you have like, say like a series of steps that go up, or actually just around your porch in general, this is something I recommend that you'll basically put down there, and you never have to charge them or put power to them or anything. And just looking over the box here, you know what? They're decorate your garden, powered by the sun, all weather resistant, turns on at dusk. I've already opened these up and looked in them, and I took one out, and actually this is it right here. What it is, so let me show you. They come individually packaged like this, and what you're going to do, there's several ways you can do these things. You can, you know, number one, make sure you peel this stuff off. Make sure you peel that off the top so it gets proper sunlight. And then there's an on and off switch. It's basically, that's how you can tell it's on. See how I put my hand on it and see how it turns on? By the way, it's got a top. The top comes on and the bottom. See that? What they've added was these little peel and stick pads. So you got a two-sided pad, and that's what I'm going to use. Or you have a series of hardware. If you want to screw them down, you'll just run your screws down through there. So let me go ahead and let's figure out how we're going to put them on our front doorstep here. Let me take them around to the front and let's set them up now. Okay, I'm here at my front step right here. Let me show you kind of how these things work. So you're going to take one just like this, and you're just going to set it down right there. So it's going to set right there. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to get the little two-sided tape, but what I'm going to do is get some alcohol, clean that surface, and then clean this off, and then see if we can get them to stick down. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to need 10 on this front step, and then I'll put 2 more on the back. So let's get to cleaning and installing now. Okay, so I don't know any other way I can do this, so what I'm going to do is do this, spray that with alcohol and spray down each area. And then I've got a paper towel here, clean that surface off there, and clean this up. You know, it is concrete, so I don't know how much surface you can clean on it. So let's do a test run right now. Make sure you turn them on, because once you get them on there, I don't think you're going to be able to get them off very well. Okay, I just stuck it on there. Let's go ahead. It seems to stick to the plastic well. Let's go ahead and try to stick it on this. You know what? That looked like that worked really well. Look at that. That is not moving at all. I think that's going to work out great. You see how it's mounted on there? I'm going to go ahead and clean the rest of them and get them installed, and you know what? We'll go from there. Just installed them all. What I decided to do was I used the peel and stick tape, and I just basically stuck them to concrete. Will it stick? I don't know. You know, they suggest screwing them down, but you're not screwing them down into concrete. That'd be way too much work. You can see how I did it right here. I have my front door that leads up, and I put 10 leading up, and then I put 2 on each side, which left me, you know, 4 left over, so 16 total. And what I'm going to do is take these next ones right here, and I think I'll put them on my front porch or something. Let these charge, and then I'll go ahead and switch over to some nighttime, and I'll come back and we'll see what these look like. So let's get dark now. Okay, everybody, now it's nighttime here. Check these things out. They just came on. You can see how dark it is outside my house here. These look amazing. I really like the looks of these. Here's the one. I decided to put some up here on this like shelf on the kind of walkway, and then I went along this way, and they're shining up and down at the same time. You can kind of see how they are right there. And let me walk to the top of the stairs and look down. That looks so cool. It just kind of goes like that. Let me back on up and look at that. Does that not look awesome? That looks really good. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the stair/porch lights. See you all in the next video.